Michaela and you're watching FunsizedStyle. I'm so excited for today's video because I'm back doing, as you guys saw, my last video was a Sweet Sparkle Beauty Box unboxing, and if you've been around for any length of time, you know that what comes after is the corresponding tutorial, since these boxes are based around an entire theme. So the unboxing that I did was Spring Fever, so they included products to create a Spring Fever makeup look, and this is what it looks like at the end. So if you want to see how I created a Spring Fever makeup look using the products that were included in the Spring Fever Sweet Sparkle Beauty Box, then go ahead and just keep watching. And I'll also have Sweet Sparkle Beauty Box linked down below in case you're interested in subscribing. You guys know I'm obsessed with this box and love seeing the different looks come together. But let's go ahead and see how I created this look. This is a nice setup we have going on here. Okay, hey guys, so I already said hey guys because of the intro. I really love this setup. I think this might be my new setup for almost all my videos. I got my table, I can just like sit and be chill. Can we talk about, I'm just now noticing for some reason in this clip how different I look without makeup. Okay, this is wild. Anyways, the first product that I'm going to use in this Spring Fever makeup tutorial is by NYX Cosmetics, and this is the First Base Primer Spray. You guys know I use this like all the time. I'm actually almost out of this, so I will be using other ones that I have after I use this up, but it's a good primer spray and just makes my face look really nice for foundation and just makes it easy to apply. Whenever I wash my hair the very next day, my hair is like super poofy, so even though I straightened it today, like it's very big. For foundation, I'm going to be using the IT Cosmetics CC Cream Your Skin But Better, and I'm in the shade Light. I actually received this in an Ipsy bag a couple months ago. You guys know I've been using up a few foundation samples, and I never used to like foundation samples, but I really like them because I've been getting lucky with shades that have been chosen for me in different subscription boxes. But I'll let you guys know when I use a product that was in the Spring Fever Sweet Sparkle Beauty Box. Every time I go back to this foundation, I forget how much I love it. Actually, you guys know I've been using, like I said, using up some foundation samples, and I've been using a Smashbox one. But man, every time I go back to that IT Cosmetics, again, I forget how awesome it is. Very high coverage, and again, I just really like. Moving on. The next product I'm going to use in the Spring Fever makeup tutorial, also I feel like I don't need to say that every time. So the next product is, I'm going to be using powder, and this is the MAYBELLINE Fit Me Matte and Poreless powder. I've just been trying to use it up, and I'm actually doing pretty well. You can barely tell, but I'm starting to hit pan a little bit, which is good. Love this powder. It just takes a while to use up. More in the middle to end of my makeup tutorials. Not middle to, I guess middle to end. But lately I've been liking to do them more in the beginning, because I just feel like when I don't have my brows on, I just feel like my makeup, I was working on my makeup and like it's still not looking super amazing. But then I'm like, I figured out the missing piece. It's my brows. We're gonna put the brows on first, make myself feel more put together. Obviously makeup is not a necessity, an accessory, but you guys know I love makeup, so I'm gonna do my eyebrows. And you guys know I've been using the Glam 21 eyebrow pencil for like makeup tutorial after makeup tutorial after makeup tutorial. I received that one in a previous Sweet Sparkle Beauty Box, but I haven't been liking it as much lately. I don't know, I still like it. You guys know I think I might have even featured it in a favorites video. And I wouldn't say it's not my favorite anymore. I guess it's not really my favorite anymore. I'm going back to the Anastasia Beverly Hills Brow Wiz. Give it a go, because lately when I've been editing my videos, I'm like, Dang, my brows just don't look as good as they used to. I'm gonna go back to this one. You guys know I switch between eyebrow pencils. Alright, I've determined it's not the brow product because I'm still not happy with how my brows look. I think it's because this brow, but like the hair is falling out on the side here. I don't know if you can tell, like on the top. I don't know why that's happening. I've never experienced this before. So I'm a little bit like, what's happening? But it's fine. It's fine. Moving on, because we could be here all day doing these brows. And then also, this brow looks lighter than this brow. And I just don't understand it. Try to ignore my brows as best you can. I know they look really, really bad. But there's literally nothing I can do at this point. I think I just should maybe... Literally, my eyebrows look so bad. Okay. We're just going to ignore it. It's fine. Okay, next I'm going to prime my eyes for eyeshadow using the Step 1 Eye Primer by Coastal Scents. They sent me this a while ago. And I have another video coming up with them using these products. Like, I'm going to be doing a winter makeup tutorial featuring Coastal Scents. But I just haven't done that yet. I need a new eye primer to use, so I'm using this one. Next, I'm going to use bronzer, and this is the Bahama Mama bronzer by THEBALM Cosmetics. I promise we'll be getting into the products that were in the Spring Fever Sweet Sparkle Beauty Box. Next, I'm going to move on to eyeshadow. So I have this palette and then a single eyeshadow from the Spring Fever Sweet Sparkle Beauty Box that I'm going to use for this Spring Fever eye look. So I'm just going to do my basic eyeshadow look, and then I'll add the lid color and show you guys the product and everything like that. But first things first. Now that I have my basic eyeshadow look done, I'm going to use the single eyeshadow as my lid color. And this is by the brand Luna by Luna. And this is an eyeshadow in the shade Plum. I wanted to do a very natural eyeshadow look because of this lid shade. The lip color is very bold, so I wanted this to be very natural and just subtle. And with this lid color, I figured this would be the best way to incorporate. When I swatched this shadow in the unboxing, I figured that it would be best to apply it with my finger so that I can build it up. So if you want to see that, you can check out the unboxing video that was uploaded before this one. I guess I should show you beforehand, but here's what the eyeshadow looks like. It's a gorgeous color. When I initially saw that it was in the shade I was like, oh no, like it's probably going to be really dark and I'm not going to know how to use it or how to incorporate it, but it looks really, really good. And it's just a very natural, subtle shade in a great way if you want to start incorporating color into your eyeshadow look. You can see it's a very natural color, but just that little pop just, I think, makes a big difference, and I feel like it also makes my eyes look bigger, which is really pretty. So I just, that little touch, I really, really like it, and perfect for a Spring Fever makeup tutorial, especially once you see how bold this lip color is. So I'm really, really happy with how this eyeshadow turned out. I'm going to be using my Benefit Cosmetics Their Real Lash Primer, and this is literally almost gone, so I'm going to have to get another one soon. I actually want to try the one by L'Oreal because I've heard that one is really, really good, but I definitely know I'll be going back to the Benefit Cosmetics one eventually because I love this one so much. The next product that I'm going to be using, the mascara itself is from the Spring Fever Sweet Sparkle Box. More Sweet Sparkle Box products from the Spring Fever theme coming in a moment. I think I officially have used this product to its entirety. This is the one time where I'm like, this is it, I can't use it anymore. I did use it for this look, obviously, but it's getting more and more difficult to use. I can just tell it's old. I've used it for so long, and I looked in the tube, and it's like literally empty. So it has seen its better days, but it's time for the product to be completed, and I use this to its entirety. I love this product. The mascara that was included in the Spring Fever Sweet Sparkle Box is by e.l.f. Cosmetics, and this is the Volumizing and Defining Mascara. And I guess I shouldn't have said like the mascara, assuming that they always include a mascara, because they don't. But I just meant like the next product that I'm going to be using that's from the Sweet Sparkle Spring Fever Box. I would say this is a pretty basic mascara. I am not completely wowed by it, but it's not the worst mascara I've ever used. I think it's also because the Benefit Cosmetics, their Real Lash Primer is so dried out at this point, and it was difficult to apply to my lashes because I have to use lash primer because my lashes grow straight down and they're so tiny and frail, they just don't curl. So I have to use a lash primer, so it's difficult for me to judge a new mascara when my lash primer fails me because I can't really wear mascara without it. I mean, I think it's a good mascara. It's definitely not, it doesn't seem to be clumpy, so that's nice. Yeah, I'll have all the products linked down below if you're interested. I told you guys toward the end we'd be using a ton of the products that were included in the Spring Fever box, and that is the next one. So the next thing I'm going to use in this tutorial is by MANNA KADAR Beauty, and this is a Paradise blush. You guys know I don't wear blush a ton. I should, because once I do, I like what it looks like. But I can tell that this is a very bold color, so you definitely don't need a lot on your brush. I really like that blush. It is so nice and just very natural, and it was really easy to apply and blend, and I like that blush. And you guys know I'm not a huge blush person all the time, so this Spring Fever look is turning out well. The next product that I'm going to use in this tutorial is my own product, and this is by THEBALM Cosmetics, and this is the Mary Dew Manizer Liquid Highlight. And even though this look is already pretty shimmery, I want some highlight because I think that this would really tie the look together. When I was doing my eyebrows, I forgot to use one of the products that was in the Spring Fever box. So this is a clear brow gel by KOKIE Cosmetics, and like I said, I forgot to use it, so I'm going to apply that right now. Maybe that'll help keep my brows in place. You guys know I love my clear brow gels. And I was mentioning in the unboxing that I like clear brow gels because it makes me feel productive when I'm doing my makeup, because you use them up frequently. And because I don't know, they take a while to use up, or they don't take a while to use up. So it's like, oh, I'm using up a product. That does make a huge difference. Okay, I know you probably can't tell, but it does make a huge difference. This is a really great brow gel. I feel like this might be one of the best ones that I've tried, and I know this is a lot, but I don't know. I just really like how my brows look now. They look a lot better. Just kind of keeping them in place, so I highly recommend this eyebrow gel. For real this time, this is the last product in this Spring Fever makeup tutorial using the products that were in the Sweet Sparkle Beauty Box Spring Fever theme. And this is the lip product that was included. This is by OENO Beauty, and it's a lip gloss. And this is known as the PINOT gloss. I don't know if that's the shade or what, but it's a very bold red color. And I was saying also in the unboxing that I'm surprised for the eyeshadow look and all the other products that were in my box that they included such a bold shade, because I don't know, I just feel like, I don't know, I just thought it'd be more like a mauvey pink for like spring fever, but I don't know. I see fever as in like bold, you know, so we'll see. But if you want to hear a rant about this product and this applicator, go watch the unboxing, but if you know, you know. So here is the completed Spring Fever makeup tutorial based on the theme of the Sweet Sparkle Beauty Box Spring Fever, using the products that were included in that box. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I really like doing these videos and putting the products to the test of the Sweet Sparkle Beauty Boxes. Like I said, you guys know that I say this in every single one of my videos, but I just feel like Sweet Sparkle Beauty Box is really underrated, and I love it because they include products that are specified around an entire theme, and it allows me to create more content for you guys and branch out into different makeup looks, because had I been in the store and they gave me these choices of products between other choices, I don't think I would have thought to pair this eyeshadow and this lip color together and this blush and call it a Spring Fever makeup tutorial, makeup look. So it really allows me to branch out and try new looks and product combinations and just come up and have really fun theme names and just create the look around a certain theme, because a lot of beauty subscription services, in fact most beauty subscription services, are just a random assortment of products, but Sweet Sparkle Beauty Box puts more thought into what goes into these boxes. So this video is not sponsored, I just really love the service, and so I'll have the link down in the description where you can subscribe to Sweet Sparkle Beauty Box. They have free worldwide shipping, so anywhere in the world, and you can receive this box. I guess that's it. Like I said, I hope you guys enjoy this video, and it feels so good to be back doing these videos. They're the corresponding tutorials with the Sweet Sparkle boxes. They're a lot of work to film and edit, especially the editing within these videos are a lot of work, but I'm always impressed with how the look turns out in the end, so it motivates me to like keep going and remember like why I like doing these videos. If you want to create this tutorial along with me but you missed out on this themes box, I'll have all the products linked down below individually in case you're interested in purchasing the products to create this Spring Fever makeup look as well. So that's it for today's video. I hope you guys enjoyed watching this tutorial. I know it was more of a chit chat tutorial and it was a little bit different, but again, I love this look, and yeah, I'll catch you guys next time. Sweet Sparkle Beauty Box will be linked down in the description below. I'm obsessed. I love creating these different makeup looks and seeing it come together into one, because when I see the assortment of products, I'm like, that's gonna look like a Spring Fever makeup look, and then it does. So anyways, I'm gonna shut up now because I've been talking for way too long, and I'll see you guys next time.